Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking stir-fried ABC or stir-fried minced meat with potatoes and carrots. So let's start cooking. Now we put our dish together. I'm using a wok from Shogun by Gourmet. It's part of the Midori series. This is a 32 cm stir-fry wok. It has a titanium ultra non-stick coating, so it makes cooking so much easier with lesser oil. You heat up the pan using medium heat. Add in a little bit of oil. Swirl the oil around a little bit. Add in 300 grams of minced pork. You can use chicken if you don't take pork. Spread the pork out. We need to brown the pork. We need to get the oil out of the pork so that there will be more flavor in the dish. You add in half a teaspoon of salt and a few dashes of pepper. Fry them until they are lightly brown. You do not need to marinate the pork because we'll be adding in our seasoning later and we'll braise this for a little while. This is a very easy and delicious one dish meal. Once the pork starts to brown, we'll add in our onion. Add in 1 medium onion chopped up and also 2 cloves of garlic chopped. Mix it up well. We'll know that this is ready when we start to smell the beautiful fragrance from the onions and the garlic. Just fry them for a while. Wow, already smelling so good. Just brown them up a little bit more. This dish is known as stir-fried ABC because you'll get vitamin A, B and C. Once the onion has softened, we add in our other ingredients. 200 grams of carrots, cut into small pieces like this. Put them all in, mix them up for a while. Now we add in our potatoes. 350 grams of potatoes, also cut into small pieces like this. Put them all in, mix them up well. Once we mix them up well, we add in our seasoning. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, and 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Mix them up well. This dish is very easy to make, and because of the potatoes, your kids will love this. Now we add in 200 milliliters of water. Mix them up well. When it's boiling, we'll put the lid on. Turn the heat down to low. And we'll simmer this for 10 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, smells so good. Give this a stir. Let's try whether it's savory enough for our liking or not, because potatoes do absorb salt quite a fair bit. Just a little bit of the sauce. Let's try it. Taste is really good. Let's turn the heat to medium. Mix them up a little bit. We're going to thicken up the sauce. Thicken up the sauce with cornstarch solution. A little bit at a time. Mix it up to the consistency that you like. Now if you would like it to be darker, you can always add a little bit more dark soya sauce. Do make sure that your dark soya sauce is not very salty, otherwise it will be too salty for you. About 1 tablespoon more. Give it a good mix. Turn the heat off. Add in some chopped spring onions. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Wow, smells really good. This can be a meal on its own, or you can just top this up on steamed rice. Excellent. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. Thank you and see you again.